Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make 80s style art using glitter paper. So here is what you want to do. You want to open up whatever tablet you have of the glitter paper, go through it, figure out what color you want to use, and I'm going to use blue here, so tear that one out. And I'm going to use a lighter blue. Tear that one out. So, this is how this is going to work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these on an angle here. And I'm going to put one piece from this one and one piece from this one together. And that's going to equal the art. So you want to line these up. So you want to cut it on an angle. Be sure to keep these as straight as possible. Line it back up. Okay, so here we go. So you may need to do some adjusting, which is okay. There we go. So what you want to do now is you have this piece and you have this piece right here. Give it a little bit more. There we go. That's what you want to do. So you want it just like that. So now what you want to do is flip these around like this. Get them lined up. Just like that. You want to take some Scotch tape, made by 3M. No, they're not sponsoring this video. I just like 3M. There we go. And now you do this. And you want the paper as tight as possible. And there you go. This is what it looks like. 80s art. So now if I really wanted to get fancy, this will be for another video, what I could do, I can make two of them, which is what I'm going to do. But this is what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? So there you have it. 80s style art using glitter paper. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.